guys, welcome back to Archika's Cookwell channel. So I'm back with my another video. So today I'm going to make Jeera's aloo at home. So 1 big tablespoon of ghee or oil. It's optional, whichever you wanted to take, or whatever you wanted to take. So let the oil get heated. After that, we will put some masalas. Now oil has been heated, so we will put 1/2 of the tablespoon of jeera, and we will saute it. Let the jeera get heat, mix with the oil and get it with some heat, and tick tick sound comes. Then we will put some our powdery form masalas. So here you can see that I'm showing you 1/2 I have put. Do not put more than this. And the ratio of aloos would be 5 aloos for 1.5 ratio of jeera. So now we'll put haldi, 1.5 tablespoon of haldi. So after putting haldi, we will take the same ratio of chili powder, that is lal mirchi in Hindi. So I put half I have put 2 times. And now I'm putting dhania tablespoon of half tablespoon one time, and second time also half. And I will mix all my masalas together in the oil. As you can see it, I'm mixing it. As you can see, I have sauteed my masala. So now I will put green chili. These are 2 green chilies I have chopped already. So I am mixing with the powder. And after let the powder get little brownish, we will put after some time salt into it. And we will also put amchur powder into it. Now let us put half tablespoon of amchur powder and mix well. And we will also put little bit hing. This is hing for chitkar sound, and mix it. You can see this is brownish, but it's very tasty. It's yummy. It will be. So I have put salt according to half tablespoon I have put. And now I will put 5 potatoes and mix it well. Now it's ready. So before serving, I will mix the potatoes really nicely, so that the masala is very nicely mixed with potatoes. So before mixing the potato, we will know that please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now we will serve. So this over here I'm going to put my potato. This is my potato which is ready. Now I'm going to serve you in a bowl. So this is a bowl in which I will pour the potatoes. As you can see it. As you can see, I have poured the potatoes, which are quite looking amazing, but I need to look it very nice from the title. So I will put some sukhi dhania into it. See, this is thuki dhania. I'm mixing it with my both the hands, and putting them. So please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Archika Cook World, and also follow me on my Instagram ID.